Okay, that's my setup I use right there. I don't know if you can see that, but there we go. Self-locking carabiner. Old school belay device. Rock climbing harness. Not a tree climbing harness, because every ounce of weight matters, okay? So that's how I do it. I was initially trained from a man in the Army. Gave me my first belay lesson in the back of his building. And I used 3-strand nylon rope when I first started out, okay? Anyway, we're on our way to make another cut here. As you can see, we got a pretty big piece this time. And here we go. There's a log there, buddy. There's the homeowner down there. Hello! A lot of times we absolutely amaze the homeowner. On one of the contractors that are on the other job, not this job, not a contractor job I did, the homeowner come out and peeled out $100 tips for 7 members on the crew. Bless the Lord makes rich, adds no sorrow with it. All right, here we go. We got a few more pieces, like I say, and we're piecing it down slow but sure. We're rigging the pieces down slowly and methodically. That's how it's done.